with you a free template that I've put on my blog, and I will link my blog below if you'd like to go over and get this template. So I just thought I would show you the template. This is me obviously printed it out, but after thinking about it I thought, right, obviously it's cream. This is actually something that I've designed on cardstock, inked it up and scanned the images. So then I thought, if you print on the back, on the reverse side, you don't have to have them this colour. You've then got the template once you've cut it out on this, on some background paper, or you could use scrapbooking paper that obviously will go through your printer. My much thicker designer paper wouldn't go through my printer, and I didn't want to chance it, so I'm just going to show you this. I'm going to cut this out. I've got to bring in this little what do you call it, paper trimmer to do this, because my big one won't fit on here with my setup. So it's not the best of ones, but it does. It's better on cardstock than it is on paper. And this is actually photo paper, so I'm probably right off frame there, but I am just cutting it out. You could do this freehand. So I'm just going to do this really quickly and just show you what I mean with using it on the reverse. I probably would be better actually hand cutting this, because it's a bit naff this. I have got the Stampin' Up one, I've got a paper cutter, that is, and a few other various paper cutters. So I should have maybe done 2 of these and I'd one cut out already, but hey ho. Anyway, I was actually trying to put this on my website, and oh, the problems I had with that. And poor Andrea, who is ARTYmaze, she helped me out loads, and I eventually got it working, but then I couldn't place the image where I wanted it on my web page. Oh, so I just gave up and thought, oh, you know what, I'll use my blog instead. About 4 hours I tried to do this on my website, never again. So I'm going to use something to take that little notch out in a minute. So then you've got all these little bits left that you could keep for other things. But the whole purpose of this is just showing you, you know, printing it out and using the reverse. So I just use this, which is my Stampin' Up tab punch, to do that. Now you can go and use your scoreboard. Couldn't think what that was called then. I had to side look at it. I had to look at it to see what it was. Brain went dead. I do all computer techie stuff tonight. Oh, I could have half made a journal. So I was just doing it that way, just to follow the lines. And you would fold that in. Then you could go around and ink that up. By the way, the background paper here that I used is from ARTYmaze. So with the tag, I mean, if you was going to decorate the tag, you could leave it and just use that side. As you can see, I cut off a little bit too much and you can't really see the inky part, but it is on there. You could use this, just punch the hole with your hole punch, or punch it there and maybe put another reinforcer on here and use that side, which will tuck in there, and then this could go on there like that. I hope this is making sense. It kind of is to me. So you could do it like that, maybe keep the tag that way and decorate it and pop it in there. So I'm just going to assemble this one while I'm at it. Probably add this one into my next journal. I've actually got a kit printed out to work on, which I was hoping to do tonight, but with all that techie jargon, I didn't get to do anything. And to be honest, I'm not actually tired now, and it's nearly 1 AM, so I might actually start the journal. Now I've seen other people use templates and then print it onto either designer paper or digital paper, so it's not my idea. It's just a little tip. I can't find my glue now. Just a little tip that I thought I would share in case you haven't seen anything like that. So as I've shown before, I always put the two side ones down and then bring the bottom one up, so that when the tag or journal card that you're slipping in, it doesn't catch on this bottom tab. So my glue's nearly up the end. See if we can get some out. Yep. And just run a little piece, run a little bit of glue up here, and then pop that on there. So that's your pocket assembled. And then, like I said, you do whatever you like to the tag. You could, if you're using like a lighter weight paper or photo paper and you think the tag isn't like thick enough, you could always back it onto some cardstock before you do anything. So as you can, as you can see, sorry, it's just trying to get my arms around this tripod thing, the tag fits in there just perfectly. I do have another one printed out, obviously just to show you. So that's that, and I printed that on the wrong side of the photo paper, so it's a little bit duller, as you can see. So that's what you can make out of that if you print it onto some background paper of your choice or designer paper. So the link for this template will be below, and it's over on my blog, and it's detailed on there how to save it, because it's basically just a right click, save it to your computer, and then you can use it as and when you like. I just ask that you can use it in any craft project you like, just don't resell it, because it's my freebie. So yeah, there you go. I hope this is useful. I hope the tag and the pocket template will be of some use for you, and I'm kind of planning on making some more different templates and putting them on my blog as well. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.